Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you all very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. In my channel, I'll be talking about the Baha'i faith, and in each episode we'll be covering a different topic like universal peace or equality, drawing upon the influential writings of the three central figures of the Baha'i faith, Hazrat Baha'u'llah, Prophet of the Baha'i faith, Hazrat Abdul'Baha, Baha'u'llah's son, and Hazrat Bab, herald of the faith, who foretold the coming of Baha'u'llah, as well as Abdul'Baha's grandson Hazrat Shughi Effendi, and the Universal House of Justice, the current governing body of the Baha'i faith. By the way, the term Hazrat is an Arabic term of respect and honor used before the title of a significant figure. I will now provide a brief introduction of the faith and the three central figures. In 1844, in Persia, the Bab announced his mission and promised humankind that God would soon introduce a new messenger. The Baha'i faith originated in the year 1863, when God revealed unto Baha'u'llah, meaning glory of God in Arabic, that he was the promised one in which humankind had been awaiting, the symbolic spiritual return of previous messengers of God. Abdul'Baha, Baha'u'llah's son, shared in his father's struggles and devoted his life to promoting the cause and the principle of peace. Upon his passing in 1892, Baha'u'llah appointed Abdul'Baha as his successor, an admirable representative of the faith's spirit and principles. In 1921, Abdul'Baha's grandson, Shughi Effendi, became appointed as the guardian of the faith. The Universal House of Justice is now the Baha'i faith's world governing body as proclaimed by Baha'u'llah. In upcoming episodes, I will be covering each of the figures' lives and roles to a greater extent so you're able to acquire a more profound understanding of their extensive influence on the faith and humanity's advancement. We are able to connect with God through His messengers, who are in essence divine intermediaries between human beings and their Creator. Baha'is believe that religions undergo a continual cycle in which they come into existence and are later succeeded by a newer religion. As part of this cycle, new divine messengers will be revealed unto us, introducing teachings and principles that are, although similar in essence to those of previous dispensations and stem from the same source, God, build upon past religions to meet the growing demands of humankind in evolving societies. Currently, we are undergoing a new spiritual stage, the Baha'i faith. Baha'is view God's prophets, including Abraham, Krishna, Zoroaster, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, Muhammad, and Baha'u'llah, as key figures who have aided the development of global civilization throughout history. The book, Baha'u'llah and His Covenant, addresses these ideas in detail. Baha'is believe that humanity's essential need for universal peace and the ability to reach common understanding regarding society's future and our cause and aim in life can be found in Hazrat Baha'u'llah's writings. The book Baha'u'llah and His Covenant mentions how the writings of Baha'u'llah present a framework for the advancement of world civilizations, considering both the spiritual and physical aspects of human life. Baha'is share the unified goal of aiding humanity and carrying out the teachings of Baha'u'llah. Some of the principles Baha'is believe in include the oneness of God, religion, and humanity, the elimination of all forms of prejudice, equality between men and women, the intrinsically dignified characteristic of the human race, harmony between science and religion, the necessity of justice for societal advancement, the elimination of the extremes of poverty and wealth, and the significance of education for all. These and many other principles are necessary for the fulfillment of universal peace. Thank you very much for watching. For additional guidance on the Baha'i Faith, please visit the Baha'i Faith's official website, baha'i.org. I will conclude today's episode with a prayer.
Blessed spark and the house and the place and the city and the heart and mountain and the refuge in the cave and the valley